I don't know why I'm so nervous about surprising the winner with this truck. All right, we have spent so much time upgrading this off-road machine. Decked helped us out so much to present this to the big winner. That winner has been selected, and now we are about to go surprise them on their doorstep. We shipped the truck from Austin, flew to Kansas City, we spent a night in Lawrence, then picked this bad boy up from the Ford dealership, and we are about to go surprise the winner on their doorstep with the keys. I guess I'm just nervous because this is the biggest prize we've ever given away, and I've certainly never shown up at someone's doorstep. Kim from Olathe, Kansas is the big winner. Let's go see how she reacts. All right, here we are at the house. It's go time.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
How are you? Good.
Good. We're looking for Kim.
She's actually at work right now, but with her kids.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, she's at work?
Kim is the lucky winner of the Ford F-150 adventure-built truck presented by Decked.
She's gonna love this so much.
Well, it sounds like you guys certainly love it.
Thank you.
Can we try and keep it a surprise? Could you guys somehow get her to come home?
Yeah, I would recommend going to CVS.
Definitely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So we just showed up at Kim's work. She wasn't home. Her wonderful kids were, and they took us to where Kim is doing some rather important work these days with COVID testing. My name's Eric from Wide Open Spaces, and you are the big winner of the Decked adventure-built F-150 plus $20,000.
Oh my God. Like, what is going on? And they wouldn't tell me anything until I got around the corner. Oh my God.
Kim, this is yours.
Oh my gosh. I can't even believe this.
So we got brand new tires on this, brand new wheels, a full suspension system. You literally can take this anywhere.
Oh my gosh. This is, oh man. I can't even believe this.
One extra cool thing about this truck too, come on back here, Kim. Decked creates the greatest truck bed storage system on the market. These drawers slide out. Say you're going camping, all your gear can be in here, safe and secure.
Oh my God. And you know, I've always imagined, but like for it to be like right now, like it's just like overwhelming, like yeah.
I'm a little sad to see this truck go. We did a lot of work to it, but it's Kim's now. So here we are back in Kansas City. We just presented the truck to the winner. A huge shout out to Decked for making this all happen. It was fantastic. The winner, Kim, she's a single mom supporting 3 kids. It just goes to show that there are actual real people who win these giveaways. We want to make sure that you realize that too, because this was a chance to give back to our Wide Open Spaces fans and followers, and we really couldn't have done it without Decked. We'll continue doing giveaways like this, so please stay tuned and enter when you can. And who knows, you might be the next big winner.